Hi, Sarah. Well, this was a 16-man crew fighting these battles for 2 weeks long. And they tell me they got pretty close during this because they were fighting 7,500 acres of wildfires. It takes manpower to fight wildfires, and 16 men from the Connecticut Interstate Fire Crew were amongst the force fighting fire in Montana. 12 of those heroes are from Connecticut, like Gunnar Norback, who completed his first ever deployment.
Having the opportunity to go abroad or go across the country and, help others, when they really need it, that was, something I was very interested in doing.
The crew that came from all around the Northeast region was assigned to the Colt Fire in Montana that officials say was started by a lightning strike.
Really steep country. We're way in the backwoods of Montana, for sure, bear country.
Philip Russell also battled the flames in Canada.
Canada was flat and boggy, and Montana was dry, dusty, and steep.
The men were deployed out in the Northwest for 2 weeks.
It's necessary. It's necessary to represent the state of Connecticut and our forestry program.
And while these crews are answering the call to fight wildfires, Fire Control Officer Rick Shank says that recruitment for wildland firefighters is down.
When I started mobilizing in the 80s, we would do 5 crews out of this area, be Maine, New Hampshire, Connecticut, Massachusetts, New York, and some of the other states contributing. And we're lucky if we can roster 1 crew out of that area right now.
But for the ones who are facing the flames head on, they say it's their calling.
They call, the residents of Connecticut can, rest assured that, their state's doing their part to, send out resources.
Now, this crew wasn't the only crew that was deployed. They also had 1 firefighter in Idaho and another firefighter in another part of the country just fighting these battles. And they say they do it for Connecticut. In Marlboro, DeAndrea Turner, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.